I know that many of you think of me when you pray, when you ask, when you give thanks. I know that many of you believe that only a miracle is what it will take so that you can finally live in peace. But today I remind you of one of the most important quotes I said during my life. Peace begins with a smile. It's just as simple as it sounds. Smile at someone who doesn't like you. Smile at the one who doesn't want to see you smiling. Smile at the one who thinks that will never smile again. Smiles are often returned with smiles, just as peace is returned with another act of peace. If I were there with you, I could only tell you, this new year, realize that what unites us is bigger than what separates us, so that all may calmly say, peace is mine.